Today on Riding in Sin, we're riding to and over the Hoover Dam. Here, Hoover Dam has a checkpoint for weapons and drones. Nope, we didn't bring nothing today. This is the Hoover Dam Road that lets you ride over the dam. Well, we finally made it. We're going to the Hoover Dam Cafe now, and we're going to see what they have to offer. Meaning, we're going to grab a bite to eat. When we got in here, they wanted us to pay $10 a piece for each bike to park. So with the cafe having strip prices, and the food did not look good at all. Nope, we ain't doing it. Back on the road, now we're gonna cross the dam. So we decided here we're going to take a break. Maybe check out the low side of the dam, look around, talk to some people, see what's up. Dude, I didn't know what bukkake was. I had to ask that girl.
Why? Because she asked for it?
Because she wanted.
She brought it up, dude. I'm like, what's a bukkake?
I'm in.
She's like, you're fucking kidding me, right?
It's hot chicken. She was complaining about not having had sex in a while. And she was trying to come on me like a super soaker. I'm like, that's really aggressive.
Right.
That's dramatic. Like, I don't know if that's even physiologically possible.
Dude, I like it when that happens. It's as long as it's not pee.
Oh, I don't care.
Wow.
That's fucking funny. Like, I've had pee.
Fucking scene. Here, I'll take it. Thank you, sir.
So did you. Oh.
You made it, huh?
Easy.
Here's some history from Bullet.
That beautiful Hoover Dam.
Okay. Here we're getting Bullet used to the camera.
Construction of the Hoover Dam started in 1931. Ended in... It was constructed in 1931. Ended in 1936. Part of Franklin Delano Roosevelt. Damn it. We're out here at the Hoover Dam. Rocket, Alex.
Bullet never did finish. Maybe next time. We had way too much wind for it to sound decent. Well, while we're still hungry, we're going to find a restaurant on the way back. So we pulled off at Railroad Pass, and now we're going to hit up the diner called Bullet Train. When we first pulled up, these guys pulled up right behind us. Kind of didn't know what was going on. Come to find out, these guys saw us driving by, recognized us from the channel, and wanted to say what's up. Nothing like a little support and reinforcement. Thanks, guys.
Bullet Train. Let's go eat.
Now, Bullet Train is the name of this place. We're going to go inside and have some food and see how it is. This place is really nice on the inside.
Wind is the worst thing.
That one's good.
good view. I'll take a lemonade. I'll take a coffee and a water, please. Yeah, thank you.
I'll do a water and an iced tea with lemon, please. Yeah. Thank you.
I legally was at the show on Saturday and I was drunk. And my bass player goes, oh, that's Robbie Woodneck. I was like, get the camera out, watch this. And I went over and I just kissed that fool on the forehead. Dude, I'm gonna use, do you remember World Police? That riff?
Yeah.
We never really recorded that, but I'm gonna
do it. Now, Alex is the guitar player for the heavy metal band Sonolith in Las Vegas.
I think it's
About 20 years ago, Alex and I were in a band together. I played the drums, he played the guitar, and we had a bunch of songs from back then. That's what we're talking about.
I hate that song. I hate it too. Embarrassed that I wrote that.
How's it go?
This coffee's pretty good. Something to say, or are you just gonna sit over here and hold my hand?
Sit over here and hold your hand.
No, well, I'm here for it. They don't have beer here?
Yeah, they do. You got a bar. You gotta have beer.
Yeah, they do. Yeah.
I don't want beer. I drink beer last night.
I don't want beer either.
I've been drinking this weekend. I kind of broke my plan of only drinking on the weekend. People are gonna want to see the bikes. They're gonna want to.
We usually like to sit down and talk about our next excursion or road trip while we eat.
But then also too, like if you ride with different guys.
Like I saw you guys ride and we watched your videos. I just wanted to stop and follow you guys and say hi.
That's cool.
Yeah, and I was like, really?
That's good, dude.
Yeah.
I only signed
Fucking Rocky went cool.
Yeah. I only signed penises.
What are you talking about, Alex?
The Cybertruck. I want to jump it. That's what I want to do. I want to hit it like I want to get it airborne at like 90 miles an hour.
This thing will never leave the ground. Nope. It'll go.
He said it would just be 1 more minute. So I
We
just
finally got our food, and it looked pretty good.
Thank you.
You had the
Where's the biscuits? The food was pretty good here, but don't order the biscuits and gravy. That's a negative.
Field dress from in the back real quick.
Field dress?
Yeah. You got free range biscuits and gravy.
What the fuck? Those potatoes are good.
Mm-hmm. Really good.
Dude, Idle Spurs took me off their fucking page because I gave them a 3-star instead of a 5.
Really?
They had to have. Huh?
Yeah.
Which one's Idle Spurs?
Oh, did I was thinking Silver Spur.
Or Spurs, Saddling Spurs. That's where I met fucking, what's her name? Well, that's going to be it for this week. We'll see you next time on Writing in Sin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Writing in Sin. In the channel's description, you'll find my affiliate link to Insta360 cameras and drones, what I use while filming Writing in Sin.